So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to use a coupon on AllChinaBuy. So first, you need to access or open any search engines, but in this case, I'm using Google Chrome. And after you open a search engine, just utilize the search bar for you to be able to search for the allchinabuy.com. And after that, you will be needing to sign in if you have a current account. But if you don't have one, just simply click the sign up button. And once you're already in, you will see this page. Then for you to able to find your coupons, just click on the account section, which is right here, and then go to the My Parcel section. Once you're in, you will see this page, and under the wallet section, once you click on that, a drop-down menu will pop up, which is you will see the coupons right there. Once you click on that, you will see the available coupons below, as well as the used coupons. If you have used one, or if you have used a lot, then you could also use expired coupons right there. And then you could also input a specific coupon code if you have one. Just have to click on that and type in the code for you to able to redeem it. And then under the available coupons, you will see a bunch of coupons right here, which is also indicated of how much is it capped and the minimum fee as well, and the limit of it, like shipping fee and exclude the custom clearance fee as well, and whether it is on the international parcel or some local. So that's how you used a coupon on All China Buy. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.